just walked into the studio and I'm loving the lighting in this space. Just turned on the hallway light and it looks so cool. But you can totally see through the seams in the foam board. When I get a chance, I should double these walls. Turning on the rest of the lights. And let's start today's video. What's up, doll collectors, hobbyists, fabs, and besties? I'm Toya, an adult doll collector. Welcome to my miniverse. We need something on that wall. There's just too much open space. Better. We are still in our dollar store room that we made in a previous video. This one right here. And we are taking a look at BarbIe Dream Besties Skate Party. That's right, the besties are back with a new look. I got this doll online for $19.99. Which I was honestly a little hesitant about because when they first came out, I quickly bought them at $19.99. Then they start showing up at $13.99, making me think that if I could just wait, I could get them at a better price. Because y'all, stuff is expensive and I gotta make my doll budget last. But I didn't wait, so here we are. This is Barbie Brooklyn, whose favorite activities are making up dance routines, video editing, and creative writing. And how adorable is this box art? And if we cut this out on the side, like so, we have an instant bookmark. Y'all should see my bookmark collection by now. Out of the box, Brooklyn has dark brown hair. It does have a little bit of a wave to it. It might need some attention out of the box. The front is pulled up into a knot. There is a small random curl in the middle of her head where the hair is cut shorter. She has painted edges, pink eyeshadow, a pink lip color, freckles. She's not pixelated. And this Brooklyn is tinsel free. She wears large pink headphones with hearts, gold hoops that are not easily removed. I would have loved for the earrings to be removable, like Monster High. Brooklyn wears a white t-shirt that says Barbie. It's tied in the front and it looks like one of those spray paint t-shirts you get at amusement parks. The top and bottoms Velcro in the back. She wears pink pants with stitched details and printed hearts. The bottom of the pants are super fuzzy and she has little heart knee pads. A heart purse. A cell phone case that looks like a purse. We get a cell phone to go inside. When it's in the purse phone case, it looks pretty flat. I love these little decorative phone cases. She has a camera, perfect for getting those action shots. She has an ice cream cone with blue ice cream and a pair of pink skates. The wheels can turn and they have painted hearts. This doll is articulated with movement at the head, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. And here she is next to the first BarbIe Dream Bestie, Brooklyn. I removed most of the tinsel from my Brooklyn's hair. We can see that the two Brooklyns have different hair textures. I'm eagerly waiting to see Brooklyn with braids or twist. Teresa also has a skate party doll with a new look. Her favorite activities are gaming, reading, and gymnastics. Out of the box, this Teresa also comes with orange highlights. Her hair texture seems to be the same as the new Brooklyn's. It has a little wave to it, but the ends might need a little attention. And with this wave technique, I'm seeing little presses at some spots in the hair. But you can just pull the hair apart and they kinda go away. Well, you just gotta be neat about it. But my ends are still looking a little fried. She wears a yellow plastic headband with a bow. She has large green eyes, coral and turquoise eyeshadow, a red lip color, toothy grin, dimples. She has a plastic necklace, cloud purse. She wears a crop open cardigan with large puff sleeves. It is orange with white clouds. The fabric has a little texture. Underneath, she wears a rainbow halter top with red stitching and a red pleated skirt. The skirt looks just like the Barbie extra skirt that came in lavender. The bottom edge is cinched and it velcros in the back. She wears plastic cloud knee pads, has red and orange skates with white clouds. There's an orange cell phone that says, "Hi Barbie." honey bear cookies, a green camera, and a blue handheld gaming device. Teresa does appear to be a tiny bit shorter than Brooklyn. And here is Renee, who loves skateboarding, basketball, and painting. Out of the box, she has beautiful pastel eyeshadow, a soft lip color. She has black hair that is crimped in some places. Again, the hair might need some attention. The front is pulled back, and she has colorful hair accessories, which I think are pretty cute. I usually find doll hair clips and barrettes a little bulky, but this is working for me. She wears a necklace that looks like colorful beads, has silver stud earrings, which I think are super cute with this look. She wears a two-piece fuzzy outfit with large ribbon bows and a flower smiley face print. She has a matching flower bracelet, has a bag that is shaped like cheese. It opens at the top. She has yellow flower knee pads, white and pink footless socks, purple skates with pink flowers. It is possible to balance her to stand while wearing the skates. She appears to be slightly taller than Brooklyn, comes with a pink cell phone with a message from BarbIe that says, "Let's skate." Her phone case looks like a flip phone. It's an easy fit. She has a pink camera. We've seen this design with BarbIe before. And she has a pink and white drink with a handle that she can hold. This doll also comes with a lavender bucket hat that says, "Just roll with it." Here she is next to her first doll. I like that we're getting Renee without bangs and without tinsel, but part of me would love to see core dolls and fashion packs rather than getting a new doll every time there's a new look, since it's still the same character. But I do like how the new Teresa doesn't have the little stars under her eyes. With BarbIe Dream Besties, I think we're getting some pretty cool accessories. I'm liking all the painted details. I think the outfits are fun. We're getting different fabrics. And this look can fit BarbIe. I personally like the proportions of a standard BarbIe. And this is one of my favorite Brooklyns ever. With the hair. And I'll probably end up taking most of the clothes for my other dolls. This skirt fits a classic BarbIe perfectly. The top is a little snug, but we can get it to close. I had similar results with Renee's look. Brooklyn's pants do stop a little above the ankle on a classic BarbIe, which is still slightly visible even when wearing the skates. But I love the idea of fun phone cases. And we might be able to DIY our own using a BarbIe purse. Because Brooklyn's looks like a purse, where we can see the phone on the other side. So couldn't we take a BarbIe purse that is flat on the back, cut out a printable phone, or a picture from a magazine? We can add tape to the front for a little shine, add glue to the back, or double-sided tape to attach it to the purse. For a fun phone case. And I just had another idea for a fun phone case, but I gotta get some supplies. But look who just showed up in the mail. Here is BarbIe Malibu, whose favorite activities are makeup, crafting, and camping. Malibu has blonde and pink hair styled into two pigtails. She has a white hair accessory. Her eye makeup includes white painted bows on the sides of her eyes. She has a pink lip color. Wears a mesh shirt underneath, a butterfly top with ribbon straps. The mesh shirt and the butterfly top are two separate pieces and they Velcro in the back, as well as her shorts, which is a faux denim with a butterfly print. It is shredded on the bottom. She wears plastic butterfly knee pads, wears blue and white skates with a wing on the side and clear wheels. She has a pink bow purse, a blue cell phone, a faux Polaroid camera, which is kind of cute. She has a pink drink with an orange lid and straw, a heart compact that can open, and there's a printed mirror on the inside. And she has a tube of lip gloss where we can open the top. This outfit was not an easy fit on my classic BarbIe. I cannot get the butterfly top to close in the back without an extension. Aw, man! But it's good to know that most of the items can fit. Thank you for joining us while we checked out BarbIe Dream Besties Skate Party. Like, comment, share, and subscribe. Don't forget to ring the bell and follow us on Fanbase, Instagram, and YouTube at MyFroggyStuff and Bella of MyFroggyStuff on Instagram. And we will see you next time.